the advice to you and to me. This is the time where the young people, they're going to have to give up their free time that Allah gave them. Their free time cannot go into 8 hours of video games anymore. There's no time for you to watch the next Netflix and Amazon series. You don't have that kind of time. You're the Muslim youth. Allah has given you free time. Allah has given you talent. Allah has given you creativity. That creativity cannot go into you making stupid jokes on social media. It needs to be used in much more productive ways, because these people who Allah has given wealth and luxury and opportunity and health and talent, what does Allah say about them? That they think they get to use it for themselves is good for them? بَلْ هُوَ شَرٌّ لَهُمْ, it's bad for them. The very things they were greedy with for their own are the very things that will be turned into a rope around their necks, choking them on the day of resurrection. That time, that ni'mah, that rizq that Allah gave you, that you didn't put to the right cause, is going to come and choke you.